In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube thumbnails that you can use for your own purpose, for your YouTube videos, or just to make an extra income and, better your life. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Rock a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services. So you can check out our website, www.rockaworld.com, for more information. So if you just want to create a beautiful thumbnail for your video, you can skip this part. But if you're planning to start making money online as a thumbnail artist, it's very important for you, to have an insight of how this works and also to get some tips on how you're going to build your business as a thumbnail artist. Okay. So option one, you can build a portfolio and start designing a variety of thumbnail styles that demonstrate your ability. And you can also use sample titles and themes if you don't have clients yet. And this will help you showcase your skills. Okay. So, number two, you can create a profile on freelance platforms, for example, like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, 99 Designs, where you can offer thumbnail design services. Okay. The number three, you can leverage the power of social media and design platforms, for example, Instagram, Twitter. You can create a YouTube channel about YouTube thumbnails, or you can create a blog to reach a wider audience. Okay, so you can also connect with these content creators on those platforms. Okay, because they are always on the lookout for reliable designers. Okay, so option four, you can sell thumbnail templates on marketplaces like Etsy, Creative Market, Gumroad. There is so many out there. Okay, then option number five, you can build a website to showcase your services. Okay, so all of these are simple ideas of what you can do and start making money as a thumbnail artist. Okay, now that we have all this information, let's go ahead and start designing our thumbnail. So for our first step, we are going to be using the help of ChatGPT, and we need to give it a command so that it can generate for us a prompt. And this is how we are going to do it. So I came up with these 5 steps so that they can guide us onto creating a killer thumbnail. So for the first option, we are going to be dealing with a faceless channel, a thumbnail for a faceless channel. So, and our option one will be to identify the purpose of the video. Okay, then we are going to choose main visual elements that we want in our thumbnail, and then we will choose the mode and colors of the character that we want on our thumbnail. Then we are going to identify the text size, all of those things. Okay, the effects and everything. So we are going to also choose a desired layout or focal points. So let's go through this together. Okay, so this is what it's like. Okay, so we are going to start with the purpose of the video. So are you just going to say the video is about, then you're going to give the reason. In this case, we are going to use latest AI technologies. Then we will add a focus. So our focus is on making it easy and accessible for beginners. Okay, then we are going to go to option two. Since we are dealing with a faceless YouTube channel, we need a character on our thumbnail. So we are going to describe what our character should look like. So we want a friendly, stylish woman in her mid-20s, dressed in a trendy t-shirt with a cool design on it. So you'll put what text you want the t-shirt design to have. So in this particular case, it's going to be AI is the future. And leather high waist pants. Okay, when she's smiling and has a confident, approachable look. The background featured designs and elements should include paint splashes, pencil icons, and digital screens, hinting at AI and creativity. Okay, so remember, you don't have to be perfect. All you have to do is to give this AI an idea of what you want. Okay, So let's go to number 3, which is mode and colors. Now you can choose this based on your brand colors or any colors that you want personally. So remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to give the AI an idea. Okay. So we want it vibrant and energetic with neon colors like electric blue, magenta, and bright yellow for a modern tech forward feel. Okay. So then number 4 is going to be about text or a catchy hook. Okay. So our hook is going to be latest AI technologies. Always remember to keep this very easy and simple. We want it in white, large, big, bold text with a glowing neon effect. The text should be on the upper half clearly visible and striking. Okay, so let's go to number 6, which is desired layout of focal points. So we want the woman to be positioned slightly off center to allow room for text. Background elements should be layered around her, creating a dynamic feel, but the focus remains on the hook, latest AI technologies. So now that we've clearly identified what we want our thumbnail to be like, I'm just going to highlight everything and then I'm going to copy it and paste it in ChatGPT like I'm going to show you. Okay. Back in ChatGPT, you're going to open a new chat, and this is the prompt you're going to give ChatGPT. You, as my graphic designer, I want you to generate me a prompt to design my thumbnail using this guide. So the guide is the information that we were, preparing earlier on. So I'm just going to put it over there. I'll paste it over there. And at the end, like you can see, I say you can improve or make it better based on the details provided. So I'm just going to click on the generate button and wait to see what ChatGPT is going to generate for us. So this is what ChatGPT came up with, and like you can see, it didn't give us exactly a prompt to use to generate our thumbnail, but rather it improved on the prompt, like you can see. So what I did is to give ChatGPT a new prompt that says make it one prompt with all details, and like you can see, this time around it gave us a prompt. So this prompt is really long, but you do not have to worry about that because the AI we are going to use actually accepts a prompt no matter how long it is. Okay, so you're just going to highlight the prompt just like that, and then you're going to copy it. Then we are going to be pasting it in the AI that I'm going to show you. So we are going to be using Canva's new feature known as DreamLab, and you can access it down here on your left once you're on the Canva interface. Okay, so you're just going to click on it just like that, and it's going to bring you over here, and then you're going to paste your prompt just like that. Okay, like you can see, everything is included. Okay, so you're just going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 because that's the perfect size for a YouTube thumbnail. So we are going to click on create, and then we are just going to wait for the images that this AI is going to generate for us. So these were the first images that this AI generated for me. And like you can see, everything is disorganized. They're not proper. Like you can see, the AI was including a lot of things on the thumbnail. So what I did, I went back to ChatGPT and gave ChatGPT a new prompt that said, make it simple for Canva. Sorry, make it simple for Canva's new feature, DreamLab, to give me perfect results. Okay, so it gave me this prompt. I copied this prompt and then I went back to Canva's DreamLab and I used that prompt. Okay, so these are the results that I got, and like you can see, there is this first one, second one over here, latest AI technologies. I think this is proper. Okay, so you can click on download if you like it. There is also this one, however, there is a lot of information included, but we can edit this. Okay, we can clean up this. So I'm going to show you how you can do that, but let's first view this image in its full view. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it's a beautiful thumbnail. Let's just click over here to see it really properly. Okay, like you can see, it doesn't need any edit. Everything is visible and it looks perfect from the text, the image. Like you can see, the text we wanted on the t-shirt, it's really visible. AI is the future. Like you can see, everything looks good. Okay, so far. Okay, so what would you do in case you have an image that looks good but it has slight mistakes? For example, like this one. Let me just drag and drop it over here, just like that. For example, like this one, like you can see, it has latest AI technologies, and then it has some simple error over here. So we can eliminate this, and I'm going to show you how. So you're going to click on the image just like that, and then they're going to give you the edit option over here. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to come and get the magic eraser over here. So you'll click on it just like that, and then you're just going to come over here. Then what you're going to do is to highlight the entire thing that you want to erase, just like that. And then after that, you're just going to click on the erase button, and that way it's going to be erased from our design. Okay, so like you can see, everything is gone and the image is so clear. Like you can see, by the way, Magic Eraser is a Canva Pro feature, and you need Canva Pro to be able to access it. But if you keep on training Canva's Magic Media, you'll get better results that don't need any edits. Like you can see, even at the thumbnail for this very video, I used this feature to design it. Okay. Before we continue, I kindly request you to like the video if you're finding value, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Okay, so from here now, you just have to be creative so you don't leave this space hanging and plain. So what we can do here, you can come to the elements, for example, and then you can find our, let's say, shapes. Okay, then you can choose a circle, and then you can position it over here. Okay, just like that. You can turn it to white, and then you can come back to elements, and then this time around we are going to search for Canva icon or logo. Okay, so we will add it over here. So you'll click on see all under graphics. Okay, and then they're going to bring you different options that you can choose from. So you can click on the one you want, just like that, and make it smaller. Then you can position it over here. Okay, just like that. Like you can see, I think that looks better. You can also choose to just add your logo over here to make everything personalized, so that your viewers can easily identify that this is your channel, since you're a faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we see what we can do for someone who already has their images, or someone who is not dealing with a faceless YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and we see what you can do to improve your prompt, and then to also get better images where you can easily insert your image onto the thumbnail that the AI has generated for you. Okay, so to get a perfect prompt for an image-free thumbnail, we are going to come back to ChatGPT, the same chat we were using earlier on, and you're just going to tell ChatGPT, using the same prompt, eliminate the female image but leave space where I can personally input the image on the design by myself. So guys, like you can see with ChatGPT, you have to just chat with it, like depending on what you want for it. It will take your commands, and it will make all the edits that you want. Okay, so you just have to edit everything based on what you want. Okay, so like you can see, it gave us a very clear and detailed prompt, and it says create a vibrant YouTube thumbnail with an open space on the right side, reserved for a character image to be added later. So these are the main keywords that I wanted you guys to mark to see that this AI is really, really, can I use the word smart? It's really, really good. And since you're working on thumbnails for videos where you have to show your face, you basically just have to do what we did in the beginning, but then you make sure that ChatGPT understands that you don't want an image, okay, so that it can leave for you space for your own character that you can add, after creating the design. Okay, now that we have everything, let's just highlight and then copy. We are going to go over to DreamLab and paste our design over there, our prompt. So these are the results that it has generated for us. And like you can see, in some options, it leaves a blank space for the image. And then in other options, it shows you where the image should sit. So I like this one because the letters are so visible and bold. So I'm just going to use this one. So if you want, you can just click on download, or you can click on edit, and then you're going to be able to use it in Canva and make your own edits like I'm going to show you. So it's now going to bring you over here. And what you're going to do next is to come over here to uploads. And then you're going to click on upload files. Then you'll upload the image you want to put on your design. So if you're using Canva Pro, you can use the first technique we used to erase this image over here if you want. But you can just get an image and then you cover it up just like this. Okay. So if your image has a background that you want to eliminate, you can always click on BG Remover if you're using Canva Pro. But if you cannot access that, you can use free platforms that can help you to remove backgrounds for free. For example, like BG Remover. Okay. So after that, once you like everything, you're just going to come over here where there is share, and you'll click on the share button. So are you going to download this image as a PNG? Okay. So you're going to click on download over here. You will download it as a PNG on your device, and then that way you'll be able to upload your thumbnail onto your YouTube channel, or share it with your clients, and you start making money online. So this brings us to the end of today's video. If you found value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.